Check out these 10-piece turntable belts. Now these are fantastic replacement belts that you can use for any type of turntable. So this will attach underneath on your actual turntable and rotate just like so. And there are 5 different sizes that you can use with these turntable belts. So we do have a really a tinier size by having 2 of this option. Then it just increases by size by getting a bit longer, and then we have an even bigger size like these. So these are just fantastic options to use, and I love the fact that you can use them for any type of turntable, whether it be a really tiny one or a bigger one as well. Now these will fit all types of turntables, and as I mentioned, there are several different sizes, so you get 2 options, 5 different sizes. That's 10 total turntable belts. And these 10 turntable belts all come in a pack all together, so you can use them for whichever turntable you have. The workmanship of these is amazing, and it's so smooth as well, so I highly recommend grabbing some of these.